I was in doubt as to what I was going to get out of this training, but from day one, I was totally wowed because I got beyond what I expected. I had thought I was just going to get a peep into corporate finance, but it went beyond corporate finance to project finance and then to modeling, actual modeling itself. So now I'd better understand when I see research reports with models. I can read them. I could also, do my own analysis. And one good takeaway for me was that beyond being better at my job, beyond being a more valuable asset to CSL, now I can even go out there and use this for myself to increase my earning capacity. So BFI really wowed me, went beyond my expectations. The facilitators were awesome. They were very willing to carry everyone along, not just carry a few people who are quick to understand. That's one of the positives for me at this training.